The old adage in real estate is it's location, location, location. And I would say, no, that's changed. The new 3 rules for real estate are really simple. Calculate, calculate, calculate. Do your numbers, crunch your numbers. Don't play this game where the realtors will trick you into buying something based off of comps. That's for your home, and that's for suckers. Do you have sucker written right across your forehead? I don't think so. So what you're going to do is you're going to crunch the numbers, and we're going to buy off a cap rate and the return. Because guess what? There's investors that will line up for a good return no matter where the property is, no matter what shape it's in. If it's generating a return, you have a market for it. So here's the deal. Beginning investors sometimes fail to crunch the numbers. They don't use the right numbers, and then they end up making big mistakes. It's like buying in that hot market and the rents don't justify it, and then you end up taking a bath on it. You can avoid that just by knowing how to buy off of cap rates, making sure that you're crunching out your numbers and you're not getting hoodwinked into buying something that's going to cost you a heck of a lot more to operate than it's ever generating. And it goes back to the very simple principles, is that assets feed you and liabilities bleed you. A cash flow positive property will feed you for an infinity. Like you just keep letting it pay you, pay you, pay you. A cash flow negative property will slowly bleed you. So don't make that number one mistake.